Assalamu alaikum. Zamanum Shekiba Day. My name is Shekiba and I'm teaching Pashto, and you could find some more information about COVID in link below. There's some words that we could use when we go for shopping. Do you sell milk? Taso shuday kharsaway. Taso shuday kharsaway. Do you sell milk? Taso shuday kharsaway. Do you sell shoes? Taso butan delta kharsaway. Taso butan delta kharsaway. Can I please have 10 apples? Mata las manana darka. Mata las manana darka. Where can I find the kids' clothing? The cheta kawaleshum the mashuman kali. The cheta paida kawaleshum the mashumano kali. Clothing kali. Can I try this dress on? The kawaleshum da kali imtihan wukum. Can I try this dress on? The kawaleshum chida kali imtihan wukum. Pazan imtihan wukum. How much does this bread cost? How much does this bread cost? Sumra paise ز کوالیشم دانان خریداری وکن. How much does this bread cost? دانان قیمت سمره ده. دانان قیمت سمره ده. دانان قیمت سمره ده.